Here we go, people. Something a little different. This is what you call an Aussie 4-door 57. So a lot of 4-doors were shipped to Australia. Like I say, the 2-door hardtops were never here in Australia. You can even see on the plate, see? Aussie 4-door. It's in a very nice blue. The blue is actually a Ford colour. 2004 Ford, something like that. But it suits as well. If you can't really see it in this light, it's got a bit of a pearl through it. So you can see the billet wheels, 17-inch billet wheels. So it's got a Ford 9-inch, turbo 700. It's got the big block under the hood. Interior freshly done. Look at that. Nice, eh? It's a good one, this one. So you can see with the imports, they use the 55 and 56 dashes. They were easy to use. So they went to Canada first to do all those sorts of changes, and the last assembly was done in Australia through General Motors here. Big fans kicking in. I'll pop the bonnet, eh? Hang on. Some secret man business is going on here. There we go. Secret man business. There we go. The big fat boy. 500 cuber sitting in there. Alloy heads. All this fancy fun stuff. Pulls 11 seconds, mid 11s, something like that. The firewall, I did the firewall about 10 or 15 years ago. 15 years ago, maybe more. Probably did the seals on this as well. Yeah. So there we have it, ladies and gents. An Aussie built 4-door 57.
Driving on a cold, lonesome highway with no one inside. Distant lights to remind you're not alone. The humming of the engine, rhythm of the road, the V8 engine burning a hole in your pocket. But you don't care as long as you get there. She don't know your name. Just driving time. Cry.